Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. Today we're gonna combine, concatenate two or more texts together. And we are going to start with creating full name simple example with two texts to combine. We can use concatenate function, or if you have Excel 2019 or newer, you can use just concat function that can combine text ranges. Concatenate function cannot combine ranges, just single cells, single text, but in our example it doesn't matter, because when we combine first name and last name to create full name, we in reality want to combine three texts, because we need the delimiter between first and last name. So to our function we have to add, for example, space in double quote, because it's just text, so it should be as an argument in double quotes. Okay, now we have proper full name and we can copy our formula down. If you don't like function, you can use ampersand sign to combine text, but it's important that when using ampersand you have to put it in each point of connection. So when we are combining first name with a space, we have to add ampersand, and again we have to use ampersand when we combine space with last name, and it's our whole formula ready. Control Enter, and we can copy our formula down. The same result depending what you prefer, ampersand or function. Okay, we have one more example when we want to combine even more text together. We have first, middle and last name, and we are going to use concatenate function once more, but this time we are going to click on insert function command near the formula bar. Thanks to that, the function arguments window for concatenate function will appear, and here we have argument boxes, text boxes, to which we have to write our text, and the text can be from cell, tab, we are going to the next box, text box, and here we can write space just like a space, and when we press tab, the Excel will add double quotes for us. Okay, we can see double quotes in our formula here. So the next will be B2 cell, tab, space, I can press mouse, click mouse to the next text box, and the last name, and it's our whole formula. We can see result here, we can see our formula here, so it's everything. Okay, we can press OK. Thanks to insert function command, in this example it can be faster to create such formula in this example. And I have prepared one more function that exists from Excel 2019. It's called just like header TEXTJOIN. This function can combine text from ranges with the same delimiter. So in our case, the delimiter is a space. So in double quotes we are writing space, comma. Now we have to answer the question, do we want to ignore empty cells? In most cases, yes. So we are going to write here true, or want to make formula a bit shorter. And now we can select text range, range of cells with text we want to combine, and it's our whole formula, so can copy it down. And when we combining many text, It's important which function we are using, because in our example not everyone has to have middle name, and in those cases TEXTJOIN function will ignore this empty cell and add just one space. But in the case of concatenate function, we'll have two spaces, and we'll have to use some if function to properly address this problem. Okay, so Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. In our example, we have first, middle, and last name in every line, every row. So in our example, it's so full name combining more than two text, even combining range of texts.